Hey everybody, so have a bit of a haul here that I need to put out there and then clear this off because I'm canning. I'm out of breath. So if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. It'll help keep me alive. And let's get started. So we have some 8-hour arthritis pain relief. We have some classic roast instant Folgers coffee. This box is making me shadow. Don't know if that'll help or hurt. I got some ibuprofen, and then I think we're good on the meds. They only last so long. We got some Tussin expectorant cough syrup in case anybody gets puny. We got 4 cans of manwich sauce, and you can use that. That's a tomato based sauce, so I mean, if worse comes to worse, you can use that in other recipes. I got 1 iodized salt and 1 plain salt. I like to have both. I got a bottle of corn oil. I got some cream of tartar. I got some tomato powder, and you can turn that into sauces or add it to sauces and stuff to richen them up. I got some advanced clean dental floss picks. I got this O'Keeffe's Working Hands Healthy Feet and Body Lotion Skin Repair. Make sure you have stuff to take care of your elbows and your toes and all that kind of thing. My husband needs sensitive toothpaste, so I use the regular, and I got him the 3-pack of the sensitive to add to his little stash. I got 2 containers of coconut oil. Coconut oil has a very long shelf life, so it won't go rancid on you like other oils. And then all this canned stuff. So this right here is a case of Libby's Crispy Sauerkraut. Below it is a case of classic 4-bean salad. Below that is La Preferida tamales. They are beef and pork. I just thought I would try another brand. I also have Hormel. I got an 8-pack of corned beef hash. Hash is one of my favorite things. I got a case of the chunky hearty beef and barley soup. And then I got how many are in there? 6 packages of this Bear Creek Stroganoff pasta mix. It's something new. I've not seen it before, so I went ahead. And all this comes in sets. I don't go to the grocery store and buy cases. I either go to Sam's or Amazon and buy them this way. I don't buy cases at the grocery store. I'm just of the opinion I don't want to take from others. I think about my neighbors. So, and then I got this Philly cheesesteak Velveeta skillet. And I got this 2-pack of beef hamburger helper beef pasta. And I think this was like $1.06, so that wasn't bad. So, I think that is everything. Now I'm going to put this away, and we're going to can some beef tips and mushrooms and gravy. So, okay. If you have any questions, post them down below. Let me know what... Oh, and there's a recipe on the back of that for a Reuben casserole. On the back of that sauerkraut. So, let us know what you're stocking up. If you have some unique items that you find out there. I know things are willy-nilly on what you can get, but I also know there's a lot of new stuff coming out. So anyway, share what you get, what you think we need to have on hand. And yeah, you all take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video.